They did it without me. I want to kill them. I'm back. Did he do it without me?
Okay, are you guys ready?
Was that supposed to happen?
I didn't even. Oh, I fucking carried this tunnel.
Okay, what do we do?
Alright, everyone. So once I wish for this, there will be a cursed hunt.
What do we do?
We should probably go upstairs because there's a closet.
Yeah, what do we do in a cursed hunt?
So a cursed hunt is like a normal hunt, but way deadlier.
What does that mean?
I will die after I wish for this.
No, Rowan, you're the professional. Let me do it.
Oh, okay. Roman?
Yeah?
Okay.
Actually, no, you know what? Never mind. No, you can do it, actually. I changed my mind. I don't want to.
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it, Gillian. Move. Get away. Wait, what is the button to... Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
I wish to see the ghost. Oh, why isn't it walking? I wish to see the ghost.
Maybe that's a sign.
Hold up. No, Roman.
Tyrion, come out of hiding. You know, we're pretty sure you're still alive. Oh, he's still alive.
Is it safe, Papa?
I wish to see the ghost. I wish to see the ghost. Oh, I didn't mean to stop it.
Let me try. Can I try?
No, just hold up. I forgot I haven't used the monkey paws in a while. I wish to see the ghost. How do you interact with items? Hold up.
Right click.
I wish to see the ghost. What am I doing? I wish to trap the ghost. Hold up, I'm trying to... How to use a monkey's paw in Phasmophobia.
We've all been just standing here next to the monkey's paw.
I wish to see the ghost. I wish to trap the ghost.
Do we have to be alone? Do you have to be alone to use it?
Wait, let me try.
Okay, Roman. So you're going to say, I wish to trap the ghost.
Huh?
Hold up, let me pick up your camera. Why isn't your camera picking up?
Good question. Oh, yeah, everybody ready? Start recording. I'm gonna die, aren't I? Okay.
You cut
I
out.
wish to see the ghost. Something happened with the hand.
Oh, yes
yeah,
it did.
The podcast started.
I can't.
I got the ghost on camera. Nice job, Tyrion. We got the evidence.
Wow.
It did not go up to a 5 though.
I got it. Okay.
The EMF detector didn't go up to a level 10. I mean 5.
Oh, okay. So EMF level 5.
No, not 5.